Okay, after writing all these instructions, I thought perhaps it might be a little easier if I just did a little video to show how this thing is supposed to be placed. Um, so the home pad, it's been laminated, and I've gone ahead and I've put the Velcro pads on there, but it still has a sticky, the backing on the tape on there. As well, there's double-sided tape on the back, but the backing on the tape is still on there. So what you're going to want to do is you clean the iPad cover with rubbing alcohol so it'll stick nicely, and and then you peel off the backing of the double-sided tape, and then you want to place this on the iPad cover so that it aligns with these grooves. You can see mine is kind of hidden by them, but there's three sets of groove where the edge of the iPad normally would sit in. Okay, and so you line it up so that the Velcros are in the last groove, and that gets you the proper placement. So line this up, stick it down once you've peeled off the backing, and then once you've got that down firmly, then number two, you place it properly there, and then number three, you remove these Velcro backing, and this has both of the Velcros on there, so essentially it has this part still on there. Okay, and by removing this backing of the sticky tape, and you have this perfectly placed, then you clean the edge of the the iPad with alcohol again so that it's nice and clean, and then essentially what you do is you bring it down, and then it'll stick to the sticky tape side of the Velcro, and that should get the hook ends of the Velcro stuck to the underside of the iPad. I hope this makes sense. It'll probably make more sense once you actually see it. But let me know if you have any issues, but that's the way we do it in research.